Hey guys, it's Coach DH here. Sorry for the video being so late, but I just want to send some video content on the 3 points we're going to focus on for this month's Snatch Seminar. Heath and we decided not to do both the clean and jerk and the snatch in this month's seminar because we thought it would eat up too much time and you wouldn't get too much quality within that hour for both lifts. 3 lifts technically, but this month we'll just focus on the snatch and 3 of the common mistakes that we see in the snatch with some of the members. And I think it's kind of all across the board. These are some challenges that you might face as a coach when teaching the snatch. So the first one, we're going to talk about hips flying up too fast. Some of you guys know it as the stripper butt. I don't know what that means, but you could add some color to that if you want. So the stripper butt is essentially when the member, athlete, friend, partner is doing a snatch and their first pull off the ground, the butt comes up way too high. So again, starting off the floor, butt starts to raise up way too fast. And the problem with the hips raising up too fast is you're going to lose all the power in your legs and all the weight is going to have to be lifted using only your back. That's the disadvantage. The reason why it happens, Heath and I spoke and we came up with 2 reasons. The first being that your legs are weaker than your back. So what naturally happens is all the weight gets spit out of the legs and into the back, forcing you to pull and just stand up with the weight using your back. The other reason why people have this tendency to let the hips fly up is because they try to get tons of momentum cranking off the floor and the hips just get spit out way too soon. Again, that has to do with your legs being not as strong as your back. So what we would encourage you to do during the seminar is to have our members just practice keeping their hips low, chest up tall, and the cue I like to use is as your knees push back to make room for a straight line for the bar, you're going to lift also your shoulders. So knees back, shoulders up. Knees back. Go away, Panda. Shoulders up together. And what you could do is just have them pull off the ground with some weight. Yes, exactly. Pull the bar off the ground just a couple inches. Just go 1 or 2 inches. Sit back down. 1 or 2 inches, sit back down. And then when they're comfortable with that, see if they can get to about where the knee is. And then back down. Back to the knee, back down. Then you can go above the knee, back down. Above the knee, back down. Something like that. So you can have them run through drills like that for the first mistake in the snatch that we commonly see where the hips fly up too fast.